Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye Audie. Come back to the bathroom. Bye too.
Hi guys, I'm leaving.
Alright, I'm going to the Philippines in
Boat.
next year. So we're here at Sidak. We're dropping Ate Jonah guys because they're going back Maui.
Curbside is for immediate
Right there.
maybe ticketed and sold.
So it's kind of like traffic here in Sidak right now. There's a lot of people. And how's your trip in the Philippines?
It's all good.
So this is our baggages. Bag. Whose water is that?
Mine.
So yeah, that's it.
We've been here like for the past 2 days. Not that angle. 2 days. And we never vlogged at all. We're at the Pacific Pike Place Market.
Pike Place.
Pike Place Market with this boy. And at the Charlotte, at the Crea, and Kenny. And my mom and dad and Father Ray. We're here with these people.
Dad, you're blocking the sign, that's why. Whoa, that was a lot of pictures.
And Henry on his side.
Alright, welcome to the vlog squad. We're here at Deception Falls. I'm gonna show you. Alright, so we're here at the airport picking up Hazel May and Gabriel guys. So it's 12 o'clock.
I'm leaving.
Welcome to Maui.
Hello.
Welcome to Maui, Gabe.
If we can't find ours, just take one. Yeah?
Alright, it's 80 degrees inside. I'm still wearing my jacket. So they're here. Hazel May, that's Jessie, that's Gabriel, that's Nabia, and that's me.
This later.
On the luggage, please. Alright.
Current local time.
Do you have medicine out there?
It's not local then. The current local time.
What hairdo?
Was she there when I got my bracelet?
I think that.
Oh, I'm gonna show you. I like my braces keep cutting my lips, but it's okay.
But it's like 10,000 bucks.
Yeah, 6,000.
Oh, 6,000. Oh my god, you're so expensive. You're so.
That's what I said.
You're so gold.
That's what I said when I got it when I rode with Chelsea.
Your guys are so expensive.
Bro, my shorts is going up.
Alright, so let's go to the house. Look at these kids, they're having time in their lives. Watering the plants and then they're washing our shoes. Look at that, they look happy. Izumi like, what kind of what? Alright, good morning everybody. We are here at Oregon, Portland, especially here in Woodburn. premium outlet. It's Audie's favorite place to shop because there's no tax. And we left the house like 7 o'clock. We arrived here like 10:30 because we stopped by tourist area and McDonald's. Anywho, this is our first stop and I'll show you guys around. Alright, we're here at Portland Japanese Garden. This is our second stop. And it
I did not know you bring the vlogging camera. Oh, just kidding.
It is super expensive. How much? Like for two of us, like 35.
Yep.
Hi, I'm Hazel.
They, just
You have to look up. Look at it. It's very nice.
I know.
A bird will poop.
So guys, I'll just make a montage.
Bamboo is a grass.
So
People think it's a tree or a plant. It is a plant. Grass is a plant.
but what kind of grass?
A bamboo grass.
Oh, really?
I'm smart. Spell it. I'm getting bitten.
Stressing yourself. Hey.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
There's a lot of mosquitoes out here. What can you say about the roast garden?
Ganda siya. You know what I can say about the Rose House Garden? So today we're going to Mount St. Helens here in Washington, and we're going to the observatory deck. Up on our way, and then we're gonna stop. But here's our viewpoint.
Give her here, give her here. I cannot. Whoa, the window's super cold.
I'm gonna do a montage in 3, 2, 1. On the morning of May 18, 1980, Mount St. Helens released unimaginable power that blasted and buried forests to the north. Today, the resulting desolations have been softened by time, but the dramatic transformation still lies before you, written in the landscape.
Jeez. Mount St. Helens 1980 erupted, and this is it. I'll show you a montage.
We took, what Gabriel said, we're finally back. We took the nice country side of going home, and then we didn't hit traffic, so that was blessed. Thank you. And yeah, thanks for watching our vlog. In 3, 2, 1.